wondered the small honk in your car? What it really does? You think it clears the road, but no, it does something more dangerous. Every time you honk unnecessarily, someone's heartbeat jumps, their stress shoots up, their mind loses focus, and that 1 second of panic. Doctor says noise pollution from honking can trigger the blood pressure, the heart attack and even the brain stroke. बस एक हॉर्न और एक फैमिली हमेशा के लिए बिखर जाती है. Next time when you press the horn, remember, you may not just be making noise, but yes, you are the reason for someone's death. Don't honk unless it's life or death. Silence saves life.